Well, hi everyone. Just want to fill you in on something that I discovered on Saturday morning a couple of days ago. Woke up and the little discus I've got here, he's not that little now, he had a swim bladder problem. He was basically swimming head down, doing head stands basically, on his side. He was extremely stressed, and I thought we were going to lose him. Basically, well, things about a swim bladder infection is you've got to realise that basically whatever has happened, you really haven't caused it. Occasionally, a lot of time, it's with the type of one that this fella had. It was due to constipation, basically a blockage causing the little sphincter that lets the air in and out, stopped it from working. A lot of times it is fatal, but what I done to try and bring him back from the brink, we lowered the water level in the tank down to about 60% of its capacity. That basically reduced the pressure on the swim bladder. We then added on top of the 60%, I've done a water change, then dropped the water, added aquarium salt, and added trisulfur tablets. It's just a medical treatment. He was, as he had a few ornaments in there, and he was being up against them, just trying to survive. So, just trying to treat and prevent any damage to him. Has to be the most expensive fish that we've got. But after doing all of that, woke up the next morning and he's swimming around. I've changed his diet a little bit. We were basically just feeding them pellets and flakes. It's a hell of a lot cheaper than feeding them bloodworms or brine shrimp. So what we've done, we decided to continue feeding them the pellets and flakes. But we're also going to give them frozen bloodworms. Just the bloodworms and brine shrimp keeps them regular and stops the gut problems that caused the swim bladder to malfunction. That's worked for me. It saved the fish that's worth well over $100. So I'm very happy with the result. But it's something I'm going to have to keep an eye on in the future, because if it's happened once, it can happen again. So yeah, just to recap, if it happens to you, do a water change and drop your water level 50% roughly. I'll drop it down to 60% of full. Add aquarium salt. That's not sea salt. It's freshwater aquarium salt. I got mine from an API brand. And then I use trisulfur tablets. You can also use Melafix or something like that. But yeah, it managed to save the day. And you will notice if you get a fish with a swim bladder problem, you may notice a slight swelling in their belly. That's a telltale sign that there's a blockage. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll be uploading some more videos in the future.